Hey travelers, ever wondered what it's like to stand in the shadow of the tallest statues in the world? Today, let's embark on a journey to discover the tallest statues in each country. Buckle up, it's going to be an epic ride. Starting off in India, we have the Statue of Unity. Standing at a jaw-dropping 597 feet, this statue honors Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. It's not just tall, it's a symbol of unity and peace. Next, let's hop over to China. The Spring Temple Buddha is an astonishing 502 feet tall. Located in Henan, it's a must-see for any traveler. The serene expression of the Buddha is sure to leave you in awe. Now to Myanmar. The Laikyun Sekya statue stands at 381 feet. This statue of Buddha is surrounded by lush landscapes, making it a perfect blend of spirituality and nature. Moving to Japan, we find the Ushiku Daibutsu, towering at 394 feet. This statue is made of bronze and offers visitors an elevator ride to an observation deck at 279 feet. Imagine the views from up there. Heading to Russia, the Motherland Call statue stands at 279 feet. Located in Volgograd, this statue commemorates the heroes of the Battle of Stalingrad. It's a poignant reminder of resilience and courage. In the United States, the Statue of Liberty stands proudly at 305 feet. A gift from France, it symbolizes freedom and democracy. It's not just a statue, it's an icon of hope. Next, we travel to Brazil to see Christ the Redeemer. At 98 feet tall, it might not be the tallest, but standing atop the Corcovado mountain, it's one of the most recognizable statues in the world. The view from the top is simply breathtaking. In Africa, we have the African Renaissance Monument in Senegal. Standing at 160 feet, it's the tallest statue in Africa. This monument celebrates African liberation and progress. Finally, let's visit Mexico for the Juarez statue. It stands at 113 feet and honors Benito Juarez, a beloved leader in Mexican history. It's a powerful symbol of justice and leadership. And there you have it, a whirlwind tour of the tallest statues in each country. Which one are you most excited to visit? Drop a comment below and let me know. Until next time, keep exploring.